Welcome to 2776 Sweetbriar, a 2-bed, 2-bath condo located in Sylvania Schools. Let's go inside and take a look. The first floor bedroom is located off the foyer and has a private entrance to the full bath. The great room has a dramatic look featuring a vaulted ceiling, an open loft, a ceiling fan and skylight, and a 12-foot atrium door leading out to the patio. The eat-in kitchen has oak cabinets, a walk-in pantry, vinyl flooring, and all the appliances stay. There's also a first floor laundry. The second floor loft overlooks the great room. The second floor bedroom is 14 by 12 and has a private entrance to the second floor bathroom. If you would like to see this home or any other home, please reach out to me at 419-367-2667 or direct message me on social media.